All right, so in this particular test block, we know that there's a bit of a defect on both sides of the weld. We can put our overlay weld software on this, but in this scenario, we're just doing a B scan just to see how long they are. We've set up the device. We're not using an encoder. We're doing a time-based scan. We've got an approximate distance there, but let's just go through on the B scan function. Right there, zoom in there, and let's just and we'll stop it there. Okay, now we can review the data. Okay, so we know we've got our indications up here. We can go into Analyze. We'll process it, and basically this will then take us through our information happening on here, and then it can cycle through. We could watch it through there. So this is a saved file essentially, and we can marry it up to this type of file. So we can exit, we can save it. It'll give it a file name, put it in the data, and yes, we'll go over to detect, and then we'll go here to our weld software, go to that location, and we can see that it's in the heat affected zone on the opposite side. And that will give us dynamic tracking because we've got that information going through the gate there. It's relative to the overlay software up there. So we can, there it is right there.